Why, hello there. My name is Gutierrez. And what I have here for you today is my birthday polynomial project. Now, the way this works is I get my birthday, which is April 28, 2000, or 4/28/2000. I reverse it, which is 28/24, and I write it as a polynomial. Now, the way I chose to write it is 2x to the third power minus 8x to the second power plus 2x plus 4. Now, analyzing my polynomial, we take the leading coefficient test and we determine that 2x to the third power is a positive and to an odd degree, which makes it fall to the left and rise to the right. Now, with this, we can determine the domain and range, which is the domain negative infinity to positive infinity, and the range negative infinity to positive infinity. Now, we take the rational zero theorem, and we can find at least one zero. From what I got, it is 1. Now, what we get out of synthetic division, we use in the quadratic formula, and we get the rest of our zeros, which are 1, 0, 3.562, 0, and then last but not least, negative 0.562, 0. Now we get the y-intercept. Now this is fairly easy. You look at the constant in the polynomial, which is 4 in this case, and we can determine that the y-intercept is 4. Now, to recap, the domain and range: domain negative infinity to positive infinity, the range negative infinity to positive infinity, y-intercept 0, 4. All real numbers: 1, 0, 3.562, 0, and last but not least, negative 0.562, 0. All relative maximum and minimum. And behavior falls to the left and rises to the right. Now, what we got here, we can fairly determine what our graph is going to come out to, and this is what I got. Now, you might have noticed I didn't write the relative maximums and minimums. Now, for this, we are going to go to Desmos, the online graphing calculator, and verify not only my answers, but find the relative maximum and minimum.
Well, we're here at Desmos now, and we can see that I was correct on the end behavior, which falls to the left and rises to the right, and the domain and range, which is positive and negative infinity. Now, the y-intercept I was also correct on, and not only this, I was also correct on all real number zeros. Now, the relative minimum is 2.535, negative 9.759. Now, the relative maximum is 0.131, 4.129. Now to answer the final question in this polynomial project. How does this polynomial represent me? Well, it represents my Beck's life. Starting with my Monday, Wednesday classes, history. I'm rising with excitement. I'm just going up, 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 up until I hit Avid, which I'm starting to plummet because to me, that is my least favorite class. But then once I get to debate, I start rising again because it's extremely fun. Same goes for my Tuesday, Thursday classes, except for my first period, I have college algebra. I'm rising in excitement for my favorite class, but then I hit Spanish, which is very slow and very boring, so I start plummeting with excitement. But then I hit art. Art is very exciting for me because I get to express myself in different ways, and I'm just rising, rising, rising. Special thanks to my college algebra teacher, Miss Bufumonte. Thank you for showing me all that I know.